make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute, but I've been hella inspired by a lot of makeup I've seen lately. I just got this one not too long ago, and this is Melody, if you guys are wondering. I think I'm just gonna try to use one palette, only because Makeup Revolution is awesome and it's affordable. I mean, even though GVS places too, but I don't know if I want to do like a crazy look, so stay tuned. Okay, so I guess I'm not gonna be using the pencil today. It's the kind of day that I'm having right now. That's all. I'm gonna use this flat brush here from Morphe. This is from their Eye Goals collection or palette, whatever. I'll put everything in the bottom bar, so don't worry. I've been like in love with this eyebrow powder from 7-Eleven, believe it or not. I used to work at 7-Eleven, so therefore it's the reason why I have it. Really wanted to try this out because one day when I was at work, my freaking whole eyebrow rubbed off, and if you can see, I have some hair, but towards the end, no hair. I bought this, and ever since it's just been my go-to. If you're wondering how old she is, she's 4. This eyebrow is a little bit bigger, but we're gonna fix that with, guess what? Yeah. Concealer. I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild concealer brush. I'm gonna use this Maybelline well, it's not new anymore, but Instant Age Rewind concealer.
And you get a
tan.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable.
It's a scary Halloween makeup, right?
No, not today, baby. That's how long I haven't done this. You think I'm doing Halloween makeup. It's going to put like the smallest amount of powder. I'm gonna put the smallest amount of powder. This is the Airspin powder in translucent extra coverage. Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna do our eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this Makeup Revolution palette collab with, I can't say his name, but I'm gonna put his Instagram in the bottom bar so you can know who collab with Makeup Revolution. So let's jump into this tutorial. So first I'm gonna use this old, as you can see, super old VH Cosmetics. This is like one of the first blending brushes I ever bought. Okay, so I'm gonna go in, let me bend this down so you guys don't get blinded by my lights. Ow, I hit myself in the forehead. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It's like this mustardy yellow shade. I'm gonna put this all over my crease. And also, I don't know why I'm talking so much. Like normally, when I was doing my videos, like it was so hard for me to talk to the camera, but today, like, girl, I am talking a lot.
For the record, yeah. For the record.
All right, so now I'm gonna go in with bend this mirror down so you don't get blind. I'm going with this burnt orange shade here. I'm gonna go in with this VH Cosmetics and It's My Ray collab brush. It's just like a fluffy blending brush pretty much, and this is number 6 if it helps. So I'm gonna dip into the orange shade, and then we're gonna put this right underneath the crease.
For the record, ain't trying to link no time to waste. For the record. For the record. For the record.
So what I notice is it's like it's a lot easier if you pack on the color first and then blend it out. You get a better color payoff, to be honest. So I'm just going to pack.
Got lost in the ball and age. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the all record, off record. I still count wins.
So now I'm done and I'm happy with the color. I'm just going to blend this out. And I'm not going above where I put that that yellow shade. I'm just gonna go right at the tip of this orange. Okay, so I'm gonna do the next side. And I'm gonna do the same thing. We're just going to pack this on right in the crease.
Whoa. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way.
It's nice and blended.
No time to waste.
Looks good. Now we're gonna go in with a more dense brush. And then we're gonna go in with this shade here. This burgundy shade right here. And we're gonna put that a little bit lower in the crease. And we're doing the same thing. We're not dusting off any extra product. We're just going to pat this on the crease. We're gonna go back to the It's My Ray Ray number 6 brush. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take this brush and go back into that orange and buff this out.
For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the
blend this out. Oh my gosh, guys, like this lighting is not doing my eyeshadow justice.
I got a up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. Frozen. A6 all the hay. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and age. I'm flipping the balls.
Just blended out my eyeball. Give me a second. So, still working on this. I was going to say, don't worry about the eyeshadow if it's not pigmented enough. Just keep packing on the product. Instead of like blending it, just try to pack on the product before you blend. And then after you have all the colors on, you can still go back into that same shade and just make it better, as you can see. That is flawless. This is sort of flawless, but another thing that I'm trying to learn how to do is talk slower, because I talk way too fast. I watched my old videos from 2 years ago, and I noticed that like when I talk fast, and I don't pronunciate enough, so you guys can understand what I'm saying. So I'm trying to slow it down so you can understand what I'm saying and also pronunciate more. Okay. All right, bend it down, stepping away. I am stepping away from that shade. I'm done. I am done with the crease. Now, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? You know what? I'm really looking at this foresty, tilly green right here. It's beautiful. Just swatch it a little bit. Don't get into the purple, Tay. Don't get into the purple. Don't drop the palette. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're gonna do that. We're definitely gonna put that on the lid. But first, your girl is going to cut the crease, or at least try to cut the crease. Haven't done makeup in forever, so I probably can't cut any creases. We're gonna go We're gonna go with a lighter shade this time. We're gonna go with this Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define in the shade C12, my all-time favorite concealer. Well, this and this Maybelline Fit Me in, is this an old one? This one is in 25, but I normally get 30. This is amazing as well. Alright, so I'm gonna start here. Take a deep breath because I hold my breath.
That's a joke, tell him laugh. Uncle Sam, fuck out the back. Brody plot, we'll get a whack. Contract, give me the max. I got lab on my back. You ain't that, then it's raps. Whoa, 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 whoa. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, that's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record.
Jesus, and then there's still product on my eyelid. Okay. Alright. Just breathe. Okay, so I'm gonna like really go in there. Ooh, pretty. And then I'm just going to so pretty. So I'm just gonna go back over that a little bit more right here and just press and swipe.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable.
Yeah.
For the record, you ain't trying to grow, that's done for you.
We are getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. So now I'm gonna do the same thing. Just go over this side a little bit.
For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record.
Yes.
For the record.
Yes.
For the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price so y'all.
So I'm gonna go ahead and take this really dark brownish black looking color and then like just really deepen up this crease and Melody. No, I'm not using that. And I'm gonna take this pencil brush from BH Cosmetics as well from the It's My Ray Ray palette, and this is the number 7.
The young influence, adolescent presence, also coming to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete ejected, but I'm losing, and I'm barely moving, but I'm still gon' boost them. I can't work on winners when I know you're losing, so I work the winners and they throw the deuces. Guess I have to pivot, shooting the bazookas for the facts. I need racks, paper, cash, fuck a tax. That's a joke. Tell them laugh, Uncle Sam, fuck out the back.
So now I'm gonna go in with another pencil brush, or no, actually, yeah, it's a little bit more like not pointy, but like straight. Versus the other one was like it came to a tip. I'm gonna go back into this. Sorry, I'm blinding you guys. I'm gonna go back into this shade right here.
Yeah, totally.
And then I'm going to buff this up so I can blend out that brown that we did.
This is so light, right?
Do you guys see that? Not really, probably, but it's okay. I'm still working. So we're just going back and forth until we're satisfied with said look. Okay, so I'm back. My face is done. Eyebrows are looking kind of shriznark, so I'm going to take my spoolie per you. So now I'm gonna work on the bottom lash line. I'm first gonna start with the dark shade that we put in the crease, using the same fluffy pencil brush. And I'm gonna run this as close as to my bottom lash line as possible while I'm looking at you guys. Maybe not. Here we go. There we go.
Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. Frozen. A6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost
Whatever. I'm going to highlight the inner corner using this highlight that came in the palette. This golden shade right here. I'm also going to highlight my entire face using that. So yeah. But first, I'm going to set my face using that NYX matte finishing spray real quick.
I need racks, paper cash, buck attacks. That's a joke. Tell him laugh. Uncle Sam, buck out the bag. Brody,
covered it up.
Contract, give me the max. I got lab on my back. You ain't that, then it's raps. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable.
Okay, now it's time to highlight the cheeks.
Try to grow that it's done for you.
Gonna spray the face one more time.
Lab on me going all the way. For the record.
And then we're gonna go in with this Morphe fan brush from that same collection. I'm gonna put everything down below, what I use. So we're just going to lightly, because this is powerful. They were not playing any games with this highlighter. No games. I put a little bit too much, but we're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna put on my lashes and I'm gonna be back to do the lip. And we'll see what we're gonna do with it. So I did decide to put this Wet n Wild metallic liquid. Hey, this is eyeshadow. I had no freaking clue. I thought this was a liquid lipstick. Oh, well, it's on my lips now. This is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, make sure you comment, like, and no, you're supposed to say subscribe. Let's try this again. Make sure you comment, like, and no, say subscribe. Make sure you make sure you comment, like, and right, subscribe. So I'll see you guys in the next one.
Running through it with the young influence, had a less impressions, also coming to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete ejected, but the moves elusive, and I'm barely moving, but I'm still gon' boost them. I can't work on winnings when I know you're losing, so I work the winners and they play the deuces. Guess I had to pivot, shooting no bazookas for the facts. I need racks, paper cash, buck attacks. That's a joke. Tell him laugh. Uncle Sam, buck out the bag. Brody. The winners and they play the deuces. Guess I had to pivot, shooting no bazookas for the facts. I need racks, paper cash, buck attacks. That's a joke. Tell him laugh. Uncle Sam, buck out the bag. Brody plot, we'll get away.